CK honeycomb rack system transforms the storage of tubes, bars, flat bars, and angles, providing immediate access to materials.